Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good, that's very great. Okay, so how are your classes going? Good, are you guys enjoying? You are learning as well? Perfect. Okay, so have you guys made friends in the class? You guys know each other? You remember your names? Perfect. Okay, who is going to tell me who am I? Ma'am? Oh, Mama. Wonderful. Okay, and I remember your names as well. Let's recall the names. Okay, the one which was on first in my list in my screen is the one with the black shirt and the beautiful puff. Okay, you are not sleepy, I'm happy. Okay, and you are Yasser. Yes, perfect. Okay, the one in the pink frock, the princess Alize, right? Okay, see, I remember your names as well. Okay, so it's your numeracy class, and in yesterday's class, we just revised number names which you have already learned in your previous grades. So we quickly revised them, but in today's class, we will definitely be, and I give you a homework as well. I asked you to revise the number names. So let's start from there, and then we will move forward. Okay. So what I ask you to revise the number names of digits and words. Remember? Yes. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you the number, and you have to tell me the answer very quickly. Okay. Who is going to tell me what comes before 7? Yes. 6. Excellent. And what is the spelling of 6? SIX, 6. Excellent. Okay, who is going to tell me what comes after 8? It's 9. What are the spellings of 9? NINE, 9. Excellent. What comes after 2? 3. What are the spellings of 3? THREE, 3. Excellent. What comes between 5 and 7? 6. SIX, 6. Excellent. Okay, wonderful class. So all of you have revised the lecture. So a big clap from my side for all of you. Very well done. Keep revising the lecture, and so you will learn very quickly. Okay. So what we are going to do today is, today our topic is, we will talk about missing numbers. Okay. The topic of today is missing numbers. Okay, so you must have get the idea from the title or from the topic that I have written on the board, that what we will be doing today, right? When I say missing number, this means that there would be something missing and you have to tell me that, right? You get this idea? Okay, perfect. I'm going to draw a number line over here. Okay. Let's, okay. I'm going to write certain numbers over here. This is a number line. I'm going to write certain numbers over here, and you have to tell me the missing one where I leave a blank, okay? Or let's say I'm not going to write anything. I'm just writing 0 over here. Can you see the 0 at the corner? Okay. You have to start from 0, and whatever I'll ask you, you have to tell me the number. Okay. Okay, before starting, in order to explain you how, what you have to tell me, there must be coming the numbers in order. For example, if I write it for you, there would be 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? If I would write, I would write like this. Now I'm going to erase this, and I'll be asking you guys to tell me the number. First, I'll be writing it as like this. Okay. Who is going to tell me what comes in this space? What is the missing number over here? Let's um, draw the question mark over here. Okay, let me draw the question marks over the places where you are supposed to tell me the number. How many question marks I have drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 numbers missing out of 10, and you have to tell me those 6 numbers, okay? Who is going to tell me what comes over here? What comes after 0? Raise your hands. There would be 1. Perfect. And what are the spellings of 1? O-N-E, 1. Excellent, Sarah. Who is going to tell me what comes after 5? What is missing over here? Or what comes between 5 and 7, let's say? Yes. Raise your hands. Hurry up. Yes, Sarim. What comes between 5 and 7? It's 6. Wonderful. Okay. Who is going to tell me what comes between 2 and 5? First, tell me how many numbers are missing over there. Yes, Elise. How many numbers are missing? 2. Wonderful. And what are those numbers? No, not Elise this time. Someone else. Yes, Ahmed. How many? What are the numbers? 3 and 4. Wonderful. Okay. What comes over here? What is missing? Who is going to tell me? Yes, Abdullah. 8. Excellent. And what is missing at the end? Who is going to tell me? Yes, Ahmed. 10. So we are done with the number 9. We started from 0 and we moved till 10. The numbers which were missing, we just wrote them. I asked you and you tell me the numbers, and we revised the number names as well. Now I'm going to erase all of these numbers. What you have to do is I'll be asking you randomly what would be after 2 spaces. Let's say what would come after 3 spaces, and you have to tell me. Okay, I'm writing 0 over here. Okay, let's start from Alize. Alize, you have to skip 2 places and tell me what is the number. Skip 2 places. Can you see these lines? I'm making them more clear. Okay, skip 2 places and tell me what is the second number. Let's say, how will you skip 2 places? This is first place, this is second place. Skip these both 2 and tell me this. Like, you have to jump from here. You have to tell me the number which would be coming over here. What's the number? 0, 1, 2, so 3. Clap for Elisa. Wonderful. Okay. Yes, Ahmed, you have to skip one number and tell me what is the second one. You have to skip this. Tell me this one. It would be 4 and 5. Wonderful. What will come after 5? Do not skip anything. Just tell me. Yes, Ahmed, it would be 6. Excellent. Okay. Yes, Sarah, you have to skip 3 numbers and tell me what comes after that. Skip 3 numbers after 6. 1, 2, 3. Skip. Tell me what comes over here. It would be 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wonderful. Okay. So what we have done today is we have discussed missing number. It is another way of revising the number names and the digits as well. This means that you guys are very well identify with the numbers and their spellings as well. We have done 2 activities today. First, I write the numbers for you and then you tell me, and now you can easily identify the number from within it as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a small video. Or before that, okay, let's watch the video first so that you can understand the concept better, and then we will do some written work. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. Let me know, is the screen visible to you or not? It is visible. Perfect. Okay, who is going to tell me what is missing in this picture? Look at the picture very carefully, which is in the video. Tell me which number is missing. There is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there any 10? So which number is missing? 10. Excellent. Okay. Okay, class. Now look at this picture and tell me which number is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there any 5? No. So which number is missing? 5. Okay, let's move forward. Is there anything else missing? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So which is missing? 5. Okay, so hope you guys have understand the concept very well. Now what you have to do is you have to do some written work. For that, open your books. Okay, students, open your book. On your book, page number 2, the very first question is, can you see this? Fill in the missing numbers. Okay, there a number line is also given to you. I have drawn which number line I have drawn. It was in horizontal order, and in your book the number line is given in vertical order. Okay, can you see this on this corner, on the very right corner? Okay, so you have to look at the number line and then you have to write the missing numbers. Okay, you have to do this activity very, very carefully and quickly, and then show it to me and I'll help you out if you need any type of help. Okay, okay, so let's start your work. Okay, so are you guys done? Are you all done? Is there anything left? Okay, who is going to tell me what would become in the first box? 3, then 4, wonderful. 5, excellent. What comes after 7? 8, then 9. What comes after 9? 10, excellent. What comes between 11 and 13? It's 12, excellent. What comes between 16 and 19? 17 and 18, wonderful. What comes after 19? It's 20. Very well done. Excellent. Okay, so that was all for today. You have to practice the same at your home. What you can do is you can create the same page for you by yourself and you change the numbers. Like you can practice this on this number line as well, and you can draw the similar table with as in your book, and you can write some different numbers, and you can practice the missing number exercise at your home. Okay, and in tomorrow's class we will do some other topic. Let's see you in social studies class. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.